可愛いゾンビアイドルクレイジーオリでしゅ Welcome to the stream everyone. Selamat datang di stream Ori no Haishin de yokoso. Today I'll be teaching you guys some math tricks. Also, happy International Teachers Day. Selamat Hari Guru Internasional teman-teman. Kyou wa ne kyoshi no hi da yo. Minna shiteru? So, ome oiwai shiyou dakara ne. Kyou wa hayai counting を教えたいと思います。Today I'll be teaching you guys some math tricks that I knew that actually helped me throughout my days. Jadi ini Ollie ada trik-trik menghitung cepat teman-teman. Dan karena ini triknya itu sebenarnya semuanya itu gampang banget untuk diimplementasi. Jadi kemungkinan besar stream ini akan pendek gitu. Yeah, because the tricks are actually pretty easy to learn and pretty fast also. This might be a very short stream because I'll only be teaching you guys 3 simple stuffs. And I feel like it would definitely help you guys a lot. Ori sensei oshiete! Ori sensei oshiete! Ajarin dong sepuh. Nah iya, oleh karena itu aku di sini gitu. Nah hari ini adalah hal-hal yang akan kita pelajari teman-teman. Today these are the things that we'll be learning. Yeah, we'll be learning a fast multiplication for 2 digits and 3 digits. Yeah, and then we'll also be learning division by 10. To be honest, I don't know how to word it out. But I guess that's the best way for me to put it. Divisions by 10. It's very simple, very easy, and I bet you guys would like it. Ohayori, is this quick maths? Yes it is. そうだよね。今日はね、ただ3個くらいが教えたいと思います。Division by 10 is elementary though. Well, again, I'm just trying to teach you guys the fast way to do it. I'm sure there's a lot of you guys who already know these methods because all of you guys are big brainers. But for those of you who don't know these, I hope that this may one day help you. Ya, Ollie yakin bahwa di chat ada banyak orang yang udah tahu beberapa trik ini. Cuman bagi yang nggak tahu, akan Ollie kasih tahu. Siapa tahu membantu gitu kan ya di masa depan gitu. Kalau gitu kita langsung masuk aja. Dewa, sasuke hajimaritai to omoimasu. Ollie pengen langsung mulai saja. Starting off with multiplication intro. So guys, I need you to multiply these as fast as you can and go. Oh, tunggu. Where's the? Huh? Oh, there we go. So this is, yeah. And then this is, yes. And then this is, hi. And these are the answers. If you guys are skeptical about it, you guys can take the calculator and calculate it yourself. Hayai ne, so fast. Yeah, because there's a simple trick and I want to teach you guys about it. This is the multiplication by 2 digits. So if you guys ever find 2 digits, I recommend this tactic for you guys, this tip. Jadi kalau kalian ketemu 2 digit dengan 2 digit dan pengen kalian kaliin, Ollie punya satu tip yang kira-kira bisa membantu kalian. Jadi pertama Ollie ingin menghapus ini ya. I'll be erasing this and I'll be telling you guys how I do it. So the trick is very, very simple. So I'll explain it in the best way I can. What you want to do is that bilang aja ini X. What the heck? BGM-nya tiba-tiba. Moga-moga tidak kena copyright. The BGM went somewhere elsewhere even though I already looped it. Padahal BGM udah Ollie loop. Ih, kurang ajar. Iya. Pakai kalkulator cepet, Li. Nah, tapi kalau kalian nggak ada kalkulator, kalian maunya gimana? But what if in a circumstance that you guys don't have a calculator? Let's say that you guys are in a game show, and then they suddenly give you guys this question about 2 digits multiplication. So what do? Easy. Instead of going the old route, kalau old route itu kan kayak gini kan ya. 2, 3 gitu kan ya. Terus ini 3, ini 2, ini 9, ini 6 ditambah jadi seperti ini kan. Biasanya orang-orang pakai caranya kayak gini kan ya. But when in real life it's a little bit hard to imagine, I feel. Setidaknya bagi Ollie ini kalau Ollie bayangkan secara mental agak sulit gitu. At least for me, if I want to like count something and I have to do it like mentally, it's going to be a little bit difficult. So what I do is to get through this, biar kita bisa melewatinya, Ollie make namanya perkalian pelangi. I guess we can call it the rainbow, what's it called? The rainbow way. So what you want to do, the first step, is that you want to multiply this and this together. Like the end ones. Jadi kayak step 1 ya. Step 1 kita ingin mengalihkan yang paling belakang, yang ini dan ini. Bilang aja kita ambil contoh ya, 23 dikali sama 31. Let's just take the example of 23 times 31. We want to like times 3 and 1. Kita ingin mengalihkan 3 dan 1. Dan dari situ kita udah langsung dapat hasilnya kita. Nah, terus habis itu apa ya? How do I end multiplication? And then the second step that you want to do is that you want to multiply these, this one with this one, and this one with this one. You want to make like a little rainbow, you know? And then once you have it, you want to like put it at addition. Maybe we shouldn't write it as XX. Let's write it as something else. Itu saatnya Ollie nulisnya jangan XX ya. Kita pakai AB aja deh. Just a moment, let me... A B dikali AB. Yeah. Oh, or CD. Yeah, that's a lot easier. Yeah. Ini kenapa ya BGM-nya mati-mati terus ya? The BGM keeps on turning off by itself. But anyways, once we are at step 2, what we want to do is that we want to like multiply them. So we get this. B times C plus A times D. Yeah, that's what we want to have. And finally, for once we already have it, we want to like multiply the front parts. Ini kenapa ya BGM-nya itu mati-mati terus ya? Coba BGM nggak? Yeah. The BGM has gained sentience. Sensei, the BGM is sleeping in class. God dang it, BGM. Gitu. Yeah, so AD plus BC for the middle. That's the second step. And once you go through that, you just put on the front. You just multiply the front and there you have it. Maybe it's a little bit hard for me to explain it this way. So let me just show you guys. Mungkin kalau kayak gini agak sedikit sulit ya. Jadi Ollie akan langsung praktekin aja buat kalian. Let's take 23 times 31. So what we want to do is that we want to like multiply 3 with 1. What do we get? We get 3. And then what we want to do next is that... Ini kenapa? BGM nande? I think we'll have to use a different BGM. Kayaknya kita harus pakai BGM yang berbeda deh. Gomeng. Hontoni gomeng. Let me get a BGM real quick. Hai, 本当にいいの？あれ just a moment. There we go. Kita pakai BGM ini aja. BGM yang tadi soalnya aneh. This is a good BGM too. Hai, enggak, dewa. Kita mulai dari awal lagi kali ya. So, first step is that we want to multiply 3 and 1, right? Because we have to like multiply the end part, so we get 3. And then what we want to do is that we do the rainbow multiplication. 3 times 3 and 2 times 1, which means it's 9 plus 2. And that's 11. Right? At times, I mean plus 2. So do it like that. And you see, 9 plus 2 equals 11, right? Which means that we have a remainder. The remainder being 1. Alright, when we get like these results, we just take the end part and then the remainder at the front, we'll put it over here. We're just going to save that for later. And then what you want to do is that you want to multiply the front parts. If you multiply the front parts, that's 6. But because we have a remainder, we're going to like add them together. So 6 plus 1 equals 7. Hence, the answer is 713. Yeah. So. Lebih cepat pakai kalkulator. Kalau kamu gak punya kalkulator gimana? Kamu mau bodoh terus. Kesel. Like sure, I think it'll be faster with a calculator, but what if you don't have one? You want to say stupid? I'm trying to teach you here. Ampun. Yeah, I didn't get it. Don't worry, we can do it again slowly. So, going by the rules, jadi mengikuti peraturan, Ollie akan coba kapus semua. I'll try to explain it again. Maybe I was too fast. Mungkin Ollie tadi gara-gara ada ini sih BGM yang aneh-aneh mati-mati terus. Let me just erase this real quick. Let me just erase this so that it's nice and clean. How about I try explaining it with the second equation? Ollie coba ngejelasin pakai yang kedua kali ya. Nih, jadi step pertama itu bagian belakang ya, the end part. And then step 2, I'll use a different color. Step 2, you want to do the rainbow method. And then on step 3 is that you want to multiply the front part. Yeah. And on a note, this is a note for you guys. If remainder add to front. I'll explain in a jiffy. So let's take for example 32 times 14. So what you want to do first is that you're going to multiply the end parts, right? That's the first step that we're going to do. So 2 times 4 is 8. And then next we're going to do the rainbow method, which is 2 times 1 and 3 times 4. 2 times 1 is not 3. It's 2. And 3 times 4 is 12. Now that becomes 14, right? So we're just going to put 4 over here. But we have like a remainder. Kita punya kayak sisa gitu kan. Jadi ini satunya kita simpen dulu. We're going to keep the 1. And then on the last step, you're going to want to multiply 3 and 1. 3 times 1 is 3. But we have a remainder, so we're going to do a simple addition, which is basically like this. And we get 4. So this is 448. Yeah. I wonder if you guys understand. Nahone wakarimashita ka? Easy, right? Do you guys understand? Any questions? Sensei, no quiz today, right? No. We have a quiz, definitely. But we're going to, study it together. Gimana yang oren itu? Jadi, kalau dalam bahasa Indonesia ya, pertama-tama kan kita pengen kali yang bagian belakang. Yang belakang itu 2 dikali sama 4 kan? 2 kali 4, 8. Nah, 8-nya kita taruh sini. Nah, berikutnya ini agak sulit nih. Itu kita harus bikin metode pelangi. Yaitu 2 kali 1, 3 kali 4. Pokoknya yang jauh ketemu jauh, yang dekat ketemu dekat. Nah, kita mulai dari 2 kali ya. 2 kali 1, 2. Jadi kita taruh di sini. 3 kali 4, 12. Jadi kita taruh sini. 2 tambah 12, 14. Nah, terus habis itu 4-nya ini, 4-nya dari 14 kita tulis di sini. Dan karena ada sisa 1, ya udah kita simpen aja satunya gitu kan ya. Nah, metode terakhir yang warna oranye ini, kita pengen kali bagian depan sama bagian depan. Jadi kalau tadi kan belakang kali belakang, jauh kali jauh, dekat kali jauh, sekarang depan kali depan. Nah, jadi ini kan 3 dikali 1. 3 dikali 1 sama dengan 3 dong. Tapi karena kita ada sisa 1 dari sini, jadi kita ambil 1 di sini. Jadi akhirnya jadi 4. 4-nya taruh sini. Kira-kira ngerti gak? You guys understand? I completely forgot this way existed. American schooling is so needlessly complicated. I mean, this is complicated in its own way too, but I just feel like this is a lot faster than the usual way, you know? Sebenarnya menurut Ollie ini sama-sama sulit sih. Kayak kalau kita ambil metode yang lama ya, if we're talking about like the classic way of doing it, let's say 32 times 14, it's a little bit complicated as well, because you have to do this times this times this, and then you have to do like this times this and this times this, right? And then you kind of have to write it down over here, like, right? Yeah, I mean, it's still the same. Maksudnya kayak hasilnya masih sama. Oh, wait, you guys can't see it, huh? Bentar, Ollie. Let me just... Like, we have this method, which is also okay. But I just feel like this way is a lot faster. At least in my mental head, gitu. It's the same steps. Yeah, it kind of depends. If you guys think that this steps is easier and a lot faster, and that's cool. But if you guys think that maybe this would help you, then that's also cool. Which is why I'm teaching you guys this method, because not a lot of people know it, gitu. Ollie sekarang sedang mengajarkan kalian cara yang begini. Soalnya siapa tahu kalian nggak tahu gitu kan ya. Kalau menurut kalian cara yang seperti ini masih jauh lebih gampang, itu juga tidak apa-apa sih gitu. What's 11 times 11? 1 to 1. Gitu. Kalau 3 digit dikali 2 digit gimana, Li? Ada. Nanti kita sampai situ. Nah, dengan begitu apakah kalian kira-kira mengerti? And with that method, do you guys understand how the method works now? I'll give you guys another example, okay? We have 58 times 72, which is a big number, by the way. Let me just up the scale a little bit. Okay, too much. Hai, itu tadi berapa? 3 1 sisa 17. And then this was 844, right? Okay. Let's have the quiz now. Are you sure that you guys understand now? I'll still explain this one anyways. Let's do it together, okay? And then after this, I'll give you guys the quiz. Habis ini Ollie kasih kalian quiz, jadi kita akan coba sekali lagi, oke? Mau ikai, osietai to omoimasu. Kalau gitu, kita awali dengan step 1 ya. Step 1 yaitu 8 dikali 2. 8 kali 2, 8 times 2, 16. And we have the reminder of 1. We're just going to keep the 1 over there. Now we're going to do like the rainbow method, which is like this. So that's 56 because 8 times 7 plus 10 because 5 times 2. And then we have the reminder over here. So we're going to add that. Hence, we get 67. We're going to write the 7 here and put the 6 over here. Another remainder. Then last but not least, we're going to do step 3, which is multiplying the fronts. 5 times 7, 35. Wait, can you guys see it? I don't think you guys can see it. ごめん、ちょっと待って。Ternyata nggak kelihatan. Sorry about that. Anyways, and then last step, we're going to get like 5 times 7, which is 35. And since we have a remainder, it's going to be 35 plus 6. It becoming 41. And so we will write the 41 over here. And there you have it. 4,176. Yay! Easy, right? Mudah kan? Oh, I see. Alright, if you guys are ready, I'm going to give you guys an exercise. I'll give you guys like a minute to do it. I feel like a minute should be enough for you guys to actually solve everything up. Can I cheat? No. Ya, habis ini Ollie akan kasih kalian latihan cuman 4 soal kok. Bukan, Deng. 5 soal, Deng. 5 soal. Atau 6 ya? Ollie lupa Ollie bikin berapa. Ya, pokoknya segitulah. Dan menurut Ollie kayaknya 1 menit itu udah cukup ya. Yeah, and I feel like 1 minute would be enough for you guys to actually do it. So, let's see. Let me get the timer out. Ollie ambilin timer dulu. The timer 1 minute. Alright, if you guys are ready, it's time for an exercise. In 5, 4, 3. Wait, where in the heck? Oh, here it is. Okay. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Start! Oh, ada 6. Oh, ternyata ada 6. There's 6 in total. No calculators, by the way. We're going to do the method that I taught you. Pakai metode yang tadi Ollie ajarin ya. Hai. Don't be pressured. Jangan ke pressure. Ini gampang kok. Very easy. Yeah, 25 seconds left, guys. 20 detik. Awesome. 3, 2, 1. And the timer went off. So, how many did you guys got right? Wait, how many did you guys actually counted? Too fast? Well, I mean, that's okay. If it's too fast, then we can just count it together. Kalau terlalu cepat, berarti kita bisa hitung bareng-bareng kali ya. Alright, we're going to start with A, okay? I saw a lot of people already answering A. So what we're going to do first is that we're going to okay, there we go. We're going to multiply 6 and 9, which is 45. Wait, 54. 54 with the remainder of 5, right? Once we have the remainder of 5, we're going to multiply 6 with 2 and 6 with 9, which is 6 times 2 is 12. 6 times 9 is 54. And then we have the remainder of 5, which means we get 71, right? Yeah. Yeah. And then once we have 71, what we're going to do is that we're going to multiply the from parts, which is 12, with the remainder of 7, it being 19. So we're going to write 19 right here. And there you have it. 1,914. You spent 1 minute for the question too. I'm trying to explain, okay? I'm trying to do it in a way where I try to explain. Ini kan Ollie lagi coba ngejelasin gitu kan ya. If you want me to just do it the normal way, okay, fine. Kalau kalian nggak pengen Ollie ngitung pakai kayak gitu, ya udah nih. But I don't think you guys would believe me anyways because I already got the questions ready. Ini tadi berapa? Why can't I write it down nicely? 1914. 1914. Yaudah kita pakai ini ya. Ollie coba cepet-cepetan ya. I'll try to do it in a fast way. For B we have 84 times 73, which means 4 times this is 2, and then remainder 3, remainder 5, 61. Yes. And then for 21, this is easy. Do that. 7, 1, remainder 11. Yeah. Alright. And then next we have 30 times 68, which is, this is going to be 0, blah, 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 24, remainder, blah, 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 20. Yeah. And then next is 95 times 17, which is, this is going to be 35, the 563 plus 3, 1, 7, 16. Yeah. And then last but not least, are you guys good now? You're doing good, but you still took over 2 minutes. Okay, fine, Oliver. Okay, fine. Maybe I was being mean by giving you 1 minute. Maybe I was being mean. Okay, I'm sorry, Oliver. Oh, wait, no. Why was I doing this one? Ollie malah nulis. I was like, wait, didn't I do this one already? Kaget. Yeah, and then we also have the last one, which is 42 times 81. Yeah. 34. Hi! Gitu deh. Just not in the habit to using this logic. That's okay. We just need practice. Yeah. Wait, do you guys get it now? Tapi sekarang kalian ngerti kah? I think... Gitu. Does it work with more than 2 digits? It does, which is why I'm going to teach you guys how to do it when you have triple digits. Yeah, so the triple digits one, they have a different way of doing things. Jadi yang ini agak berbeda sih teman-teman. Because we can't, wait, can we actually? Ini kok nggak mau gerak? Oh, there. Akhirnya 3 digit. Yeah, the 3-digit one works differently. So, we kind of have to use the old method, kind of. And it kind of depends whether you like this one or not. And, it's not everyone's forte, I would say. Jadi kayak yang ini sih. Does it have a similar logic to the 2 digits one? It does. However, it might be tricky for you guys. Ini mungkin akan sedikit sulit. Soalnya rada gak masuk akal gitu loh. It kinda doesn't make any sense with extra steps. You see, there's a lot of steps in this one. There's 5 steps. Yang ini stepsnya ada 5. There's the we'll just color it out. Step number 1. Step number 2. Step number 3. That's a horrible yellow. Step number 3. Step number 4. And step number 5. 5 steps. Quite a lot. So, let's say we have 121 times 310. So the first step that we're going to do is that we're going to time 121. Okay? Once we time 121, we're going to time 1. Wait, gimana? Sorry. Jadi kita pertama bakal kaliin 1 kali 0. Terus step 2-nya itu kita bakal kali 2 kali 0, 1 kali 1, terus kita tambahin. Once we get that, this is going to be the tricky part, by the way. Ini yang paling menyebalkan sih bagian sini. Itu kita bakal kali 3 kali 1, 1 times 3, 1 times 0, and 2 times 1. Yeah? And then there's going to be a pattern, which means next up we're going to time 2 times 3, and then 1 times 1. Last but not least, we'll time 1 to 3. Yeah, it's a little bit complicated, which is why I said that if it's not your forte, that's definitely okay. Kalau kalian nggak ngerti, nggak apa-apa, karena ini memang bukan untuk semua orang lah, I guess I could say. Yeah. So it's like there's like a sequence going on. It's like this, and then like this, and then like this. Gimana ya? Nah. And then like this, and then last but not least, like this. Gitu. Yeah. And I'm going to do this in my head. Damn. Exactly. So the 3 digits one, it's a lot harder than the 2 digits one. But that's okay. I'm just going to teach you guys anyways. Ini Ollie ajarin, tapi kalau memang ini nggak cocok buat kalian ya jangan dipaksain. Yeah, so basically what I'm trying to say is I'm still going to teach you guys this method. However, if it doesn't work out, then you guys can just scrap it in your head anyways. Because, again, not for everyone. So let's start with the first step, shall we? Yaudah, kita mulai dari step pertama ya. Step pertama, 1 kali 0. 1 kali 0 adalah 0. Jadi kita taruh di sini 0. Right? because 1 times 0 is 0. And then we're going to go to step 2, which is what you want to do is that you're going to time 2 to 0 and 1 to 1, and then you're going to add that up. So 2 times 0 is 0, and 1 times 1 is 1, so you're going to write down 1. Yeah. And then you're going to the middle part, which is 3 times 1, 1 times 0, and 2 times 1. So 1 times 0 is 0, 3 times 1 is 3, and 2 times 1 is 2. And then you're going to add that all up. That's 0 plus 3 plus 2, which is 5. And then the fourth step, you're going to multiply 1 to 1 and 2 to 3. 1 times 1 is 1, 2 times 3 is 6. So that's a 7. Last but not least, you're just going to multiply 1 to 3, which is 3. And there you go. There we have it. We got it. Oh, it makes sense. Hard to do it in my head, but it's easier if written. Thank you for this. Yeah. By the way, welcome Amarin from Maka Virtual. Selamat datang. So, and if you guys think that Ollie, this couldn't possibly work. No, but it does work. And you guys can prove that by using a calculator. Like, you guys can take out your calculators now to actually confirm if the question is right or not. If the answer is right or not. Gitu. This is easy, but again, not good for low memory. Exactly. And this is just a simple... This is the simplest of equation because the next question will be a little bit hard on the noggin. Yang berikutnya itu agak lebih susah ya teman-teman. Ollie kasih contoh lagi ya. I'll give you guys another example. Let's say 4, 2, 5 times with 3, 4 maybe. I don't know. So, Ollie, what happens if there's a remainder? Easy. You just put that in. You just take the last digit. Like, let's say that you guys are, like, adding all of the numbers from, like, step 3. And you guys get, like, a remainder of, like, 100 or a 3-digit remainder. What you want to do is just you want to take the last digit. You're going to ignore the digits in front of it, whether there's 2 digits, 3 digits, 1 digit, it's okay. You're just going to take the last digit. So let me show you. We're going to do this again. 5 times 4 is 20. So you have a remainder of 2, right? Remainder-nya itu kan 2. And then we're going to step 2, which is 3 times 5 and 2 times 4. 3 times 5 is 15, 2 times 4 is 8, which means 23. Wait, right? No. 15, 8, dia kan. Yeah. Why was I doubting myself? And then you get a reminder of 2. Kenapa Ollie tiba-tiba nge-lag tadi? Sorry. Iya, jadi 15 tambah 8. Terus ditambah sama 2 yang ini ya. Ini 2 kita coret. Terus kita jadi dapat remainder 2 lagi. After we add everything up, we're going to like get rid of this remainder, but we still have another remainder because all of this combined, it becomes 25, right? That's okay. Another remainder over here. And then next up, we're just going to multiply this with this. We're going to multiply that with that, that with that, that with that, and add that all together. So that's 2 times 3 is 6. 3 times 5 is 15, which means this is already 21. 21 plus 16 because 4 times 4 is... Wait, what? Yeah, because 4 times 4 is 16. So that's 21 and 16. That's 37. 37, there's a remainder at the back. So we get 9. And another remainder. Right? And then next up, what we want to do is we want to do this. So 2 times 3 is 6. 4 times 3 is 12. So that's 18 plus 3 because there's a remainder over here. It becomes 1. And then last but not least, 4 times 3 is 12. 12 with the remainder plus 2 becomes 14. So we're going to write down 14. Yeah. And that's how you do it. Para aku lemot banget MTK, but it's so much faster. Thank you so much. Oh, gitu kah? Hopefully this really helps. It's a little bit, again, very complicated. Even I get confused at times. Kadang-kadang Ollie pun juga suka bingung kok pakai ini kok. Bu Ollie, kalau bilangan 2 digit sama 3 digit gimana? Itu kita pakai yang ini juga. We're going to use this method as well. Like, let's say you have a 2 digit and you want to multiply with a 3 digit. It kind of works the same way. Like, let's say, berapa ya? 81 lah ya. We want to multiply 81. 81 is, there's basically like a 0 at the front, right? And then we're just going to do the same thing over again. Kayak contohnya 81. 81 basically di depannya ada 0 kan? Ya udah, kalian lakukan metode ini lagi aja gitu. The secret 0. Easy, right? If you want to do it again, this is 5. And then 2 times 1 is 2. 5 times 8 is 40. So we have 42. With the remainder of 4. And then the tricky part, terus bagian yang rada susah ya. 2 kali 8, 16. 5 kali 0 itu 0. 4 kali 1 itu 4. Jadi 16 tambah 4, 0. 2. Right? And then berikutnya kita pengen kali 2 kali 2. 2 kali 2. 2 kali 0. 4 kali 8. That's 32. 32 with the remainder of 2, so that's 34. With the remainder. And last but not least, 4 times 4 is 0, but we have the remainder, so that's 3. Ya gak sih? Alright! Alright, wait! We forgot to add the remainder. Apa? Ollie lupa ini ya? Yeah, the remainder. I forgot. See, it's a little bit tricky, but you guys get the gist of it, right? Sedikit sulit. Cuman kalian mengerti kan? And yes, you guys can tell that I'm actually counting with you guys. Nih, lupa diturunkan 4-nya. 4-nya itu kita dapat dari sini kan? Iya. So. Yeah, need to carry the 4. Exactly. Let me look at the calculator and see if this is right. Times... Yep, we got it right! Yay! Begitu. So if you guys are ready, I can give you guys some exercises. Jadi kalau kalian udah siap sih, Ollie udah siapin exercise lagi. Dan biar Ollie nggak dikira ini ya, so that you guys don't think of me as a bully or a meanie, I'll give you guys about 5 minutes to do it because it is a little bit difficult. Kalau gitu yang berikutnya Ollie kasih waktu 5 menit kali ya. Yeah. Can we do it with single digits but with like 2 secret zeros like 000? If you guys have like a single digit, wouldn't it be faster if you guys just do the classic way? Like let's say we have this times by 3. I feel like it'll be a lot faster and easier if you just do the classic way instead of like adding all these zeros because that makes no sense. I do not recommend. Yeah. Right? 15, 1, 7, and 12. It's a lot faster. You know, I'm going to ban the word calculator if you guys are just going to continuously say use the calculator. Gila. Are you guys not ashamed? Be a strong, independent person, why don't ya? Punya pendirian dikit apa? Kalian segala apapun, kalian mengandalkan kalkulator. Matematika aja ngandelin kalkulator, apalagi problem masalah di kehidupan, kalian ngandelin orang lain, anjay. Kesel gak? I hate it so much. Right? So, if you guys are ready, we can try try some exercises. Starting from... Kalian udah siap? Nih. Exercise ya. 5 menit cukup lah ya. 3 menit deh, 5 menit kelamaan kayaknya. 3 minutes. Okay, maybe 4. 4 minutes. Maybe not 5. 4 minutes. 2 minutes for each one, okay? Yeah. 4 minutes. Alright. In 3, 2, 1, go. Salah. Ulang. Oh, I haven't made it yet. Belum Ollie tulis. Ya udah deh, Ollie tulis secara langsung aja deh. I'll just try it. Apa ya? Ternyata Ollie belum bikin soalnya. Ollie kira Ollie udah bikin tapi Ollie belum. I thought I already made the exercise. Wait, let's just... This is A. And then this is B. 7, 8, 9. Alright, go. Mulai. I'm gonna wait. Ollie akan menunggu. What a number. Males mikirin nomor lain. Yeah. You guys have 3 minutes and 30 seconds. Togel kak, sebaiknya jangan gegabah. Togel mana? Easy. You guys got it? Somehow I got $5 as an answer. 900, dude. Do the equation. Oh. Ooh. Naruhodo. You guys have 2 minutes and 45 seconds left. See? I'm so nice. I'm giving so much time. I love it when she smirked. Again, it takes a lot of time to get used to. If you guys think that the classic way is the best way, then I wouldn't hurt you. But if you guys want to give this one a try, then go ahead. But for the double digits one, I do fully recommend it because I do feel like it's a lot easier. Jadi kalau kata Ollie sih, kalau yang 3 digit kalian nggak bisa, itu nggak apa-apa. Soalnya ini memang susah gitu kan ya, diingetnya gitu. Cuman kalau yang untuk double digit, menurut Ollie itu jauh lebih mudah gitu. Double digit. I got $5 too? I know there might be onto something. What are you guys talking about? You guys have 1 minute and 40 seconds left. 1 menit 40 detik, guys. I ain't gonna answer. I want her to do it. I want to see the Zombrain. Okay. Explaining while counting is a little bit hard though. Apa kayak menjelaskan sambil menjawab itu sedikit sulit sih. Soalnya, you know what you're doing. You know what you're counting. It's just that sometimes your mouth won't align with you. At least that's for me. 1 + 1 = window. Araso. Now I screwed up my math. It was $10 after all. I never stop. You guys have 1 more minute. Yeah. Hey, yo, what? A is 738 plus 6,150 plus 49,200. How did you get those numbers? Oh, was it because you were doing the classic way? I know. I got A easy, but the carry on B is messed up. I know. B is a little bit tricky because the remainder of B is quite big. Yesy. Alright, guys. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Did you guys get the answers? If you guys got your answers, I already saw a lot of them in chat, but that's okay. If you haven't gotten it, then we can just count it together. Kalau kalian belum dapat jawabannya, nggak apa-apa, kita bisa hitung bareng-bareng ya. Okay, let's start with A. We have 123 times 456. First of all, we want to time 3 with 6, which is 18, and with a remainder of 1, right? And then next up, we want to time 2 with 6 and 5 with 3. So that's 15 plus 12, which is 27. 27 plus 1 with the remainder, we're going to get that out of the way. We have 28. So with the remainder of 2, we're going to count the next step, which is 2 times 5, 4 times 3, and 1 times 6. So 2 times 5 is 10, 4 times 3 is 12. Add that together, you get 22. And then you add 6, which is from 1 times 6. That's 28. 28, and then you're going to put the remainder in. 28 plus 2 is 30. Right, with the remainder of 3. With the remainder of 3, we're going to continue. 2 times 4 is 8. 5 times 1 is 5. So that's 13. 13 with the remainder of 3, get that out of the way, is 6 with another remainder of 1. And then last but not least, 1 times 4 is 4 with the remainder of 1. Put that in, we get 5. So yeah, congratulations for you guys who actually got 56,088. This is the correct answer. Yeah. So. Got it wrong. It's okay. The remainders get tricky, right? That's okay. You want to know what's trickier though? The remainder on the B side. The B side, after I counted in my head. Jadi sambil kalian ngerjain, Ollie kan juga ngerjain. Ollie kayak, oh gede ya. I was doing it as well as you guys so that I can get like the answer quick and so that I can actually explain to you guys, right? And then I saw just how big of a number it is. I was like, damn. Hopefully no one gets bamboozled. Remindernya ratusan. Gak apa-apa. Here, let me show you guys. So first of all, remember step 1, we gotta time the ones at the end. 6 times 9 is 54. The remainder of 5. And then next up, we're going to multiply 6 with 8 and 5 with 9. So that's, oh gosh, that's a lot of numbers. Yeah, 93. 93, and then you add it with the 5, you get 98, right? Yeah, it was 45 and 48 plus 5. Sorry, forgot to mention that. And we get 98 with the remainder of 9. The 8th, we put it down. And then next, we're going to multiply 5 with 8, 7 with 6, and 4 with 9. So that's 40 plus 42. Yeah, 40 plus 42 plus 36. Yeah. Big number. So that's basically 116. Wait, right? 116, right? With the remainder of 9. Wait, no. It's not 16, it's 18. Yeah, 118. And with the remainder of 9, we get 7. And because it's a really big number. Yeah. Our remainder will be 12. Yeah. With that remainder, we're moving on to the next one, which is 5 times 7 and 4 times 8. 4 times 8 is 32. 5 times 7 is 35. And yeah. The numbers are very, very big. Even so that's 70. Wait, 70? No. Wait, what? Yeah, and then plus 12. So that's 35 and 32. That's 67 plus 12. Yeah, which gets us 9 with the remainder of 7. Last but not least, 4 times 7, which is 28. 28 plus 7 is 35. Very big numbers. I don't really like it. But yeah, that is the answer. What, 12? That's a lot. Yeah. So, again, like what I told you guys before, no matter how many remainder that you have, just take the one at the end. Because we got 127, right? We just take the 7. We don't need the 120. So we make that into the remainder. Yeah. Thanks, sensei. Yeah, ちょっと難しいから。ね? I panicked at the timer and forgot a number. It's okay. It happens. But yeah, hope you guys like this method. If you guys don't vibe with this method that much, that's okay. But I'm sure that you guys will vibe with this next one, because when I heard about it, I was like, why didn't I think of that? It doesn't work for everything, but at least it kind of helps whenever I see like an equation that has this gitu. Yang berikutnya ini bukan metode ya teman-teman, lebih ke arah tips gitu. Yeah, so the last one is division by 10. So let me introduce you to the miracle numbers. Them being 2, 4, 5, 8, 100 and 125, 20, and 25. Or this could be 12.5. What? And these are their miracle numbers. Why, you ask? Because if you want to divide anything with these numbers, your life will be easy. Jadi kenapa Ollie bilang angka-angka ini istimewa? Karena kalau kalian pengen ngebagi apapun itu pakai angka-angka ini, segala apapun jadi mudah banget. Yeah, because you're going to turn them into tens. Benar, karena nanti semuanya itu akan kita rubah jadi 100. Huh? What does that mean, Ollie? I'm not quite sure. So let me tell you guys. Let's say we have... I'll just show you guys by... with an example. Let's say we want to divide 333 with 5. But you know, dividing 333 with 5 is a little bit hard, right? So what you want to do is that you just want to turn this part into 100. And if you want to turn this into 100, then you'll have just to multiply. Jadi gimana ya? Ini dijadiin 100 aja bagian bawahnya. Dijadiin 100. Terus habis itu bagian atasnya juga ikut dikaliin. Terus kita tinggal main koma-komaan aja, ya gak? So, if we want to turn it into 100, we just time everything by 20. This becomes 100. And this becomes 6,660, right? Ini kita coret. And then there you go. Ta-da! It's like magic. You get the results super easy. Ne? You're a magician, WTF. I didn't expect this, right? It's the miracle numbers. I see where this is useful. Yeah. So whenever you guys meet up with these numbers, I feel like it would be a lot easier for you guys, definitely. How did you do that? This would have helped a lot in grade school. It would have helped a lot, right? Yeah. Gitu. Yeah, just time 2. So let me tell you guys. If you're going to divide anything by 2, well, to be honest, dividing anything by 2 is already as easy as that, right? Sebenarnya ngebagi apapun make 2 itu udah mudah kan, tapi andai kata kalian pengen make metode ini gitu, ya udah kalian tinggal ini apa kalikan. Wait, let me just. So basically, if I had to write it down, or 50. So you just want to multiply 2 with 50 or 2 with 5. Anything goes. If you want to make it 1,000, 10,000, or only like tens or 100, that doesn't matter. And then we have 25, 20. This will be with 8. I like going for 125 because it's easier to get to actually just put the commas down. So this goes hand to hand together, and this is 4 and this is 5. Wait, what? No, balik. This is 5 and this is 4. There we go. Yeah. So the miracle numbers are what we multiply by until the number reaches 100. Okay, yeah, as easy as that, right? Mudah kan? It's so easy. My brain is really not braining. That's okay. Let me show you another example. What's 92? Let's go for 92. 92 divided by 8. Wait, can you actually divide 92 with 8? No. So yeah, this is perfect. So what you want to do when you have 92 divided by 8, you're going to multiply this so that it turns into 1,000, because, well, I mean, you can go for 100 by multiplying it with 12.5, but I like going for 1,000 better. So we're going to multiply this together. Alright, and then it becomes yeah. Yeah. And this becomes 1,000. There you go. Hi! Bro. And then what you want to do is that you're just going to coret and then put the comma. It becomes 11.5. That looks like a 6. 11.5. Gitu. Why not divide by 2 and why not divide by 2 first before you use the formula? That works too. You can just divide it by 2, right? Right. So that's like 46 divided by 4. And then from here, you can just multiply it with 25. And then you'll get the same. Ya kan, sama kan ya? Yeah. You'll get around like the same results. This becomes 1 segini aja. And this becomes this. And it's still the same. Yeah. Same results. It's super easy, right? Make it 23 by 2 instead. It is easier. True. That is a lot more easier. What was it? Oh, 23. 23 divided by 2. And then you just multiply by 5. Right? You multiply it by 5. Ya udah. That's 5, 10. Yep. Yeah. Easy. Oh. Easy. It is mind-blowing. Right? It's really easy. Which is why it's just a reminder that if you guys ever meet these miracle numbers in division, your ass is saved. If it's like another number, there's actually another fast way to actually count divisions. But I forgot. Sebenarnya ada cara yang lebih cepet lagi selain make ini. Like, you know how usually we would use these, right? Like, let's say gitu kan ya. And then we just write it all down over here, gitu kan ya. So. There's actually another quick way, but I forgot. Is there a square root? No. That was the division. Gitu. Cocok nih, minggu pas soalnya gitu. Oh, gitu kah? Yeah! If you guys want me to teach you guys about the roots, I think I can do that too. Kalau kalian pengen Ollie ngajarin kalian soal perkiraan akar, Ollie bisa bantu sih. Here's a way for you guys to predict roots. It's actually really easy. Like, let's say Ollie tulis di sini dulu kali ya. Kan ini 1 2. Ini 9. Sorry, why is my pen tab not picking up? Ini 4, ya ampun. Kok 2 sih? Terus ini 5. Kan 36 7 49 8 64 9 81 So, have you guys noticed something? Have you guys noticed something at all? There's actually... Also, this is not 21. This is... Whoa. That's supposed to be 4. Just wrote it wrong. There's a pattern. You know? Yeah. You see? 1, 4, 9, 6, 5, 6. 9, 4, 1. It's a pattern. Ini ada patternnya gitu loh. Right? Whoa! Exactly! It's symmetrical! Exactly! Nani? I didn't know that! 知らなかった。だからね、this is like the fastest way for you to actually predict what a root is. Like, let's say I give you guys the root of 576. So how do we know? Like, let's say that we don't want to like count everything. We don't want to like go through like the formula. What you want to do is you want to pay attention to the backside. The backside, like the last digit, is 6, right? Which means that the probability is that the inside might be this or this. Kalau bagian belakangnya 6, ada kemungkinan besar kalau ini itu perkalian bagian belakangnya itu 4 atau enggak 6, ya gak? Right? And let me tell you something so that it's a lot more easier as well. When you're in なんだろう Okay, so 30. Gimana sih cara ngejelasinnya? Perpuluh-puluhan kan, kalau 10 kali 10 itu baru 100. Jadi yang kayak belas-belasan itu masih kira-kira 100-an. Kalau kita udah nyampe 20 itu udah nyampe 400-an kan. Terus kalau kita udah nyampe 30 itu 900-an kan. Yang berarti apabila kalau ini ada di lingkup 500, itu masuknya lingkup ini enggak sih gitu. Berarti ini 24 atau enggak 26. I don't know how to explain it in English, but basically when you're in your tens and everything is like around 100-ish, right? And then once you reach 20s, you'll reach 400, which means that in this margin we have like this, right? And once you reach your 30s, you're already at the 900s, which means it's like 400 till 900, right? So in the betweens, it's like 600, 700, and 800. Meaning that if you have a number like 576, it has to be around 20-ish, because it hasn't actually been over 900. Yeah, it's like in that range. Ya, jadi kayak ada di sekitar situ gitu loh. Ne? That's the easiest way to actually find roots. I'm learning, guys. Yeah! Noted. I'm very impressed that you can do this while multitasking several languages. Honestly, I'm kind of failing in doing that, but I'm just trying to help you guys. Ora mudeng li pening. Mau lagi nih. Yuk kita minum dulu, kita refreshing, terus Ollie jelasin lagi ya. Ollie jelasin pakai bahasa Indonesia dulu, terus Ollie pakai bahasa Inggris deh. I'll do it in a way where I don't constantly switch between languages so that maybe you guys would understand better. Ne? So I really do hope that this helps at least a little bit. Hanya berharap ini bisa membantu kalian walaupun hanya sedikit. Maaf ya kalau tulisannya Ollie jelek. Ini Ollie udah mulai ini nih. Ini 4, 2, ini 16. Sini juga 6 juga, ini 5. Ini 6 pangkat. Oh, itu udah 2 pangkat ya. 36. Itu kenapa 36-nya ada akarnya? Nah. So ya. Jadi apabila kalian pengen kayak kalian ingin mencari suatu akar, bilang aja ya 324, dan kalian pengen nyari akarnya itu bagaimana. Nah, bagaimana cara paling cepat kalau kalian ternyata nggak apal perakaran? Itu kalian pengen ngeliat bagian belakangnya. Bagian belakangnya itu kan 4. Dan tahukah kalian bahwa semua perkalian ini itu ada patternnya gitu loh. Yang dimana kalau 2 kali 2 pasti itu 4. Dan kalau 8 kali 8 itu juga pasti 4. Jadi maksudnya Ollie, ini kemungkinan besar bagian belakang dari akar ini kalau gak 2 ya udah 8 kan? Nah terus dari situ kita bisa tahu ini sebenarnya berapa puluh dari mana. Kita ngelihat dari sini. Biasa aja gitu. Kalau ini kan 100. Kalau ini semua dipangkatin ya ceritanya ya. 10 kali 10 100. 20 kali 20 400. 30 kali 30 900. 40 kali 40 1600 gitu kan ya. Nah, kita ngeliatnya dari sini aja. Kira-kira ini ada di bagian mana gitu kan ya. Kalau ini belum melewati 400 berarti ini masih ada di range perbelasan. Soalnya ini kan 300. 300 itu termasuk dalam lingkup 100 sampai 400 kan. Oleh karena itu kita bisa mendeteksi bahwa ini itu sebenarnya adalah angka perbelasan. Nah sekarang kita tinggal mikir aja ini 12 atau 18. Nah itu tinggal kalian buktiin aja dengan mengalihkannya sendiri. Kan? Berarti kalau 12 kali 12 kan 144. Jadi bukan ini dong hasilnya. Berarti basically ini adalah akar dari 18. Dan bisa kalian buktikan sendiri 18 kali 18 ya udah. Kan. Sumpah ini cara cepet banget. Cara paling cepet guys untuk mencari perakaran. Yeah. My brain is not braining. Don't worry. I was using bahasa Indonesia. So next up I'll be explaining to you in English. I'll think of another number. Okay. So basically what I'm trying to say is that with all of these numbers squared, they have a pattern, which is the last digit being these numbers 14965 6941, right? We just take like the last numbers of like every single squared and you get like this pattern, and from this pattern here we can actually determine a certain rooted number. Like for example, I give you the rooted number of 1089. Like how do we determine what root this is? It's easy. First of all, you're just going to look for the backside first. The backside being either 3 or 7. So the backside is either 3 or 7, right? And you already have your backside. Now, what you want to do is that you want to determine what kind of this is. I don't know how to like explain it to you, but basically you gotta look for it in the range. Ito. Right. So 1089 is not within the range of 100 to 400, right? Because it's way bigger. And 1089 is not within the range of 400 to 900 because it's still way bigger than that. But does that mean that 1089 is within the range of 40 No, because the range of 40 is a little bit too big, because the range of 40 to 50 is 1,600 to 2,500, which means that this range can only be possible within this. So we know that this certain root is somewhere in its 30s. Now, could it be 33 or is it 37? You know? And then from there, you can just multiply it yourself and see where that leads you. So. 33 since 37 is way bigger. Exactly. Which means that this root is the root of 33. And you use the range to find the first digit and the pattern table to find the last digit. That's the best way to explain it. Thank you so much for helping me, Ragnarok. Yeah. I like this now. It's fun, right? It's fun when you finally understand, right? I didn't know this back then. Well, if you guys are still studying math, I hope that this helps you in any way. I don't know when you guys will use this though, because once you're in high school, you don't really meet up with too many roots. The only roots that you'll find is like these types of roots, which are annoying, but I wish you the best of luck. Jadi gimana ya? Kalau kalian kira-kira masih belajar, Ollie akan senang kalau kalian bisa memakai metode ini apabila kalian menemuinya. Ya. Soalnya setahu Ollie di SMA itu udah nggak ada baby wheels kayak gini. Yeah. The square root of 2? I don't see that on the board. Yeah. Use this only while you can, while your teachers still give you good numbers. Yeah, I feel like this can still be used when you're still in middle school, but honestly, I don't know how many middle schools are watching. Ini sangat berguna. Kayak kalau kalian masih kelas 5 sampai kelas 9 lah. Cuman seterusnya kayaknya nggak bakal kepake banget gitu loh. Gitu. Wait till you find the imaginary numbers of SQRT. Minus 1 equals I. Yeah. Useful for junior high too. Something calculus for high school math. I'm 36 and this is refreshing. I'm glad. So yeah, that's the fastest way. This was not within the curriculum that I wrote in the start, but I hope that you guys find this useful. Oh right, wait. Do I have an exercise for you guys? Didn't I go? Oh wait, I do have an exercise. Ollie punya one last exercise. Yeah. Yeah. It's division, so I'm sure this will be the last one. Ini yang terakhir kok. Yeah, I'll give you guys around... Is 5 minutes okay? I'll give you guys 6 minutes lah. 6 menit ya, 6 menit kalian bisa lah ya. Gampang kok, cuman pembagian kok. Ya? Alright, so last exercises of the day and then we're ending the class. Ini yang terakhir, exercise-nya terus habis itu kita udahan. Here you go. Start. Easy, right? Apa itu? A plus B sama dengan 50 dibagi 100, maka aku ada punya 2 digit terakhir yang sama jika dipangkatkan kelewatan. Udah deh, nanti Ollie bacain juga kok. I'll read that later anyways. Teacher, someone wet their pants. Oh no, somebody get the janitor. That was the sound of the mop. Yeah. そうそうそうそう。ルルルルルル。パンパン。You guys have 4 minutes and 35 seconds. Ollie bahas aljabar, Li. Aljabar kah? Ollie udah bahas itu pas sama Mika. I already did that while I was with Mika yesterday. We were learning multiplications of polynomials, addition of polynomials, and subtractions of polynomials. Which is like the easiest thing ever. Kemarin sempet kok sama Mika kita belajar polinomi kan, cara mengalihkan polinomi, pengurangan polinomi, penambahan polinomi gitu kan ya. Kalau pembagian polinomi kan kita udah pernah juga kan di stream. We already did the divisions of polynomials also. Polynomial division is hell. Oh shoot, I gotta go to the toilet. Ollie pengen ke toilet. Ika na. Ollie ke toilet ya. The time is still ticking. You guys have 3 minutes and 20 seconds. A toilet break. You guys didn't cheat, did you? Sorry, it took a while. Maaf lama. Tadi ketemu sama ibu guru biologi. I met up with the biology teacher. She started chit-chatting me and she held me in the toilet. Ollie tadi ketahan ya sama ibu guru biologi, tiba-tiba diajak ngobrol gitu. Dekta no. Ya, isho ni yarouka. Kalau gitu kita cek bareng-bareng ya. Pertama kita ngecek yang A dulu kali ya. We'll check with the A1 first. Yang A maksudnya ya. The A. Yeah, so we have 95 with 125. To be honest, we can divide this with 5. But honestly, that would make it harder to actually turn it into decimal, right? So let's just multiply this with 8. Ini tinggal kita kalikan dengan 8 ya teman-teman. 95 dikali 8. 0. 1. Bukan 2. 4 ting. Kok 2 sih? Nah, segini ya. This is what we get. And then we're just going to do this, do that, bam. Oh, ini 10 kan komennya di sini. So this is final answer 0.76. That is the answer. Did you guys get it right? Benarkah kalian? I got this one correct. Awesome. Alright, and the next one we have 13 divided by 8. And just like 125, we're going to multiply that. Yeah. This is going to be 1,000. And this is going to be... Yeah, it's 1,625. And then with that, you're just going to put the comma. And that's what we get. Right? Because, yeah, 1.625. There's a 5 in the end because 3 times 5. Gitu. Lu cara gue beda lagi, gak apa-apa. Asalkan kalian dapat jawabannya sih gak apa-apa. Kan ini cuman exercise aja kan ya. Yeah. Yay, 2 for 2 so far. Awesome. Next one is going to be very, very easy. It's 24 divided by 25. So we're going to time this with 4. Which means... we get 96 with 100. Put that in. 0.96. Yeah. Got it right? Awesome. Moving along, we're going to do... Oh, this has to be the easiest one actually. Why did I wrote down the easiest one for last? Kenapa bagian yang paling gampang boleh tulis di bagian akhir ya? So again, we're just going to multiply this with 20. It doesn't matter if it's 20, if it's 10, because I feel like it'll be the same anyways. Ya, nanti hasilnya juga sama, mau kalian kalinya 2, mau kalinya 20, 200 juga gak apa-apa sih ya. And with that, 67 times 2 is 100. Terus ini. Yeah. Ini kita coret. And this becomes 1.3. Yeah. Oh wait, no. No. Wrong. Why is this 1,000? Wrong. Yeah. There we go. Because 5 times 20 is 100, not 1,000. Yeah. Wrong comma position. And that's it! Did you guys got it right? Sensei, we got them all right! Praise us! Yoku dekimashita ne. Yoshi. Good job! So I hope that was some fun math for you guys. I hope you guys have a lovely Saturday. Dan dengan begitu, kelas kita sudahi. And with that, that is the end of the class. Thank you so much for coming, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the little math class we have Saturday morning. Actually, I like learning stuff like that. I'm glad. Bagus lah. Makasih, Ollie Sensei. Sama-sama. One more, please. One more ka. But I don't have anything else. Can you teach calculus next class? Celine! Everybody give it up for Celine Tatsuki from Niji Sanji. Ian! Welcome, Celine! You just missed out on the whole class. Where were you? We literally just ended. Calculus. But I'm a high schooler. I don't think I can teach that. Thank you so much. Hello, welcome, Raiders. We just ended the class. We just ended the class. I'm sorry. Oh no. I wonder if there's anything. Slynn's is here too. I missed the class. Okay. Here's a little quick tip for you guys that just arrived. Ini Ollie kasih tahu lagi kalian tip bagi kalian yang baru datang. Did you guys know that it's very easy to actually predict a certain route? Like if you guys pay attention, the square numbers of all of these actually have like their own patterns. Like everything squared has like their own patterns, and it makes it a lot easier for us to determine a route just by using logic and not actually counting the whole thing. 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64, and 91, 100. You see, if you pay attention, the pattern is at the end of like every single, like the last digit of every single root from 1 to 9, the pattern is 14965, and then it's going to be mirrored into 6941. Right. So we have like the pattern right over here. And then we can use this to determine we can determine like a route just by looking at the back of the number. Like, let me explain. Dun, 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 dun. This is 900. This is 400. This is 100. Like, let's say I want to find the root of 1764. How do we find it if we don't memorize the whole root of like every single number? Well, the answer is easy. First of all, you want to pay attention to the last digit of the said root, because this will be the key to actually finding it, right? So the last digit of this root is 4, right? Which means that we can assume that this root's number, the last number, like the last digit of this root, is somewhere around 2 or 8. Because the last number is 4, right? Yeah. And then we can determine the front side of this digit by looking through this list of like squared numbers, like the square tens. So basically what I'm trying to say is that we can look at the numbers in between and determine whether this root fits in. Like, let's say this is 1,764, which means that it does not fit in between 100 and 400. It also does not fit between 400 to 900 because, you know, this is 1,700. It's really big. And it also does not fit between 900 to 1,900 and 1,600 because it's still a bigger number, which means it can only mean that this root exists within this space between the 1,600 to 2,500, right? Because this number is no less than 1,600 and no more than 2,500, which means that this number is definitely 40 something. And now what you gotta do to find like which one, and now what you gotta do to actually find the right match for the last digit is that you just count it. Is it 8? I don't think so, because I feel like if it's 48, it's going to like go over. So this is most likely to be 42. I wonder if that makes sense. Yeah. It's making a lot of sense. So, Raiders, I hope this helps your day. Just use senses? Yeah, you don't need to actually count every single number. So, yeah, because... Oh, that's a good way to think about it. Because 1,764 is a lot closer to 1,600 instead of 2,500. So it has to be 42 and not 48. It's a quick estimate, and it's the quickest way to actually determine a root. If it's a perfect root. If it's a different root, then I can't help you. There is another way to determine another root as fast as you can, but I actually forgot how to do it. Yeah, the range concept really helps. I learned something new. Thank you, Ollie Sensei. You're welcome. Yeah. Need to pass on your knowledge to the rest of the Holo girls. So many of them are in trouble when it comes to math. Not all of them are in trouble. Only a few. I wasn't paying attention. Can you repeat that? Well, there's always the VOD. The Raiders just get like a special welcome to the math class. And that's about it. Thank you so much, everyone, for coming to this stream. A few. Oh, come on! A lot of the Holo girls can count. Banyak ko yang bisa ngitung ko di Hololive ko. Yeah. Thank you so much for your listens. This was really nice. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Yeah, it's been a while since I actually taught stuffs. And truth be told, I'm actually an English tutor. Not a math tutor. Lucunya lagi, Ollie ini sebenarnya pernah buka les gitu kan. Cuman les bahasa Inggris, bukan les matematika gitu. Jadi kalau Ollie ternyata ngejelasinnya kurang jelas, Ollie mohon maaf ya. If I didn't like explain it to you guys, well, I'm so sorry. Not used to teaching maths. It's been so long. Way too long. Maybe career change. Maybe I'll become a teacher and actually bail VTuber. Yeah. Mau dong dapat private tutoring dari Ollie, Wanjay. Can you tutor us in English then? I mean, I can. Bisa sih. Next is physics. You explained it quite clearly. Thank you. I'm glad. Alright. So next up, people, we have... Dono reading! Yeah. We have dono reading. So, if you guys want to stay around and accompany me, that'd be greatly appreciated. But if you guys gotta go, then that's also okay. Ya, habis ini kita akan baca donasi, teman-teman. Kalau kalian harus cabut, itu tidak apa-apa. Tapi kalau kalian pengen nemenin Ollie baca donasi, Ollie akan sangat senang. Dan donasi yang pertama kali kita akan baca adalah dari Super Chat. We're going to read from Super Chat first. Super Chat. You forgot to give his homework. You guys don't need homework. I already gave you guys knowledge. If you guys already understand, why should I give you homework? I give you guys homework if you guys don't understand. Buat apa Ollie ngasih kalian PR kalau kalian sebenarnya udah ngerti? Ya udah sih gitu. No homework, Pog. Alright, now calculate the dono. I will! Alright, first of all, I would like to say thank you to Crazy Rise. Hugs and hat pats for my lovely teacher. Love you, thank you. And then from Nozi, Somawa desu. Somawa janai desu ne. Ohayori desu. Kita kirete arigato. And then next is from Noxcalis. Thank you. And then from Dessert Rider. Oh, well, what we have here is Ollie becoming our teacher. Well, have a hug from me. Thank you. And then next is from Veranyanatan. Were you trying to give me a rainbow? Rainbow, is this the start? Let me add this again. Please don't. Thank you so much, though. And then from Sumichiro ni, Imoto snack time. Cute, hard-working Imoto needs snacks. Yeah, I really do. I haven't had breakfast at all. Nor dinner. I only have water. Yeah. Abis ini Ollie makan deh. Eat something. Sandwiches. Ollie. I'm sorry. Yeah. So anyways, thank you so much for the snack super chat. Pink super. Really means a lot. Thank you. And then from Veranyanatan, thank you. From Veranyanatan 2. For BGM, I think you can change to the one you usually use. Yeah, thank you. And then from Uraviti. I am so not passing this quiz, but I hope you guys enjoyed it anyways. I hope you guys learned that math doesn't always go one way, you know. It could be like, there could be other ways to reach Rome, I guess, is the phrase. Ya, jadi kalau harus Ollie andai katakan, cara untuk sampai Roma itu ada banyak, teman-teman. Nggak selalu jalan itu-itu aja gitu. Ollie hanya ingin mengajarkan kalian ternyata ada cara lain gitu, dan ternyata ada orang-orang yang juga memakai cara ini gitu. Jadi semoga kalian menyukainya. Yeah, thank you. And then next is from Crazy Ras. Didn't really write anything in the donation, but thank you. And then next is from Sang Sekerta. Hi Ollie, can you prove that zero is exist? How do I prove that zero exists? No, I can't. You guys gotta remember, I'm a high schooler. I'm 17, guys. I can't go that far, but thank you so much. Yeah. Thank you. And then next is from Isang Ming. My brain itai. Don't worry. It's okay. It does get super hard sometimes. Thank you. And then from Buldung Jinim. I'm not fit with math. Sorry. That's okay. Maybe I'll teach English next time. Mungkin berikutnya Ollie ajarin bahasa Inggris kali ya. Next is from Nathan. I think this is faster but still need to take note. Yeah, you just gotta get used to it, you know. You still need to practice. Like sometimes I gotta be honest with you guys, I do not remember, for the sake of me, the multiplication of 8. Like if I think about it, I will remember, but if I have to do it fast, I don't think I'll be able to do it. Oli juga harus jujur ke kalian, Oli sebenarnya nggak terlalu apal perkalian 8 ya. Kayak sebenarnya kalau Oli inget-inget, Oli bisa inget gitu. Cuman kalau kadang disuruh ngitung cepet, Oli kayak bakal kayak gitu. Iya. Yeah, 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 60... Wait, what? 46, 64, 72, 80. Was that correct? Yeah. See, it takes a while for me to actually... See, you did it! Well, I mean, I did, but it does take a while. I don't memorize it at the back of my hand, you know? Like, give me any multiplications of 2 and then I can be like, oh yeah. You know? I have no idea. Sensei, Ollie's true age is multiplied. No one said that. 2 times 2 is 4. Minus 1 is 3. Quick maths. 34 from where is 32? What? Did I say 34? Yeah. I don't like 8s. With 8s, it's easy. The last digit minus 2 and the first digit plus 1. Suka. 46 is 48. Right. 48. It's not 46. I'm really bad with the 8th. But I feel like at least with any other number, I think I can nail gitu. Setidaknya dengan angka-angka yang lain kayaknya Ollie bisa deh gitu. Zeta said 2 plus 2 is fish. Is a true teacher. Stop! She doesn't have her teaching certificate. No wonder you don't got the booba. What do you mean? What does that have anything to do with 8s? Yeah. Gitu. So anyways, thank you. And then next is from... Isangmin. Sorry, Ollie. Today my Oshi is calculator. What? No! Calculator only when you want to reconfirm your answer. Kalian cuman boleh pakai kalkulator kalau kalian pengen kayak... ngeliat jawaban kalian benar atau enggak gitu lah. Yes, that is maths. Thank you. And the next is from the Einhander. Somehow I got $5 as an answer. I won't take that. It's wrong. You are incorrect. But thank you. And the next is from Noxcalis. I got 100,000 IDR as the answer. Don't. Nggak gitu caranya. Mainnya nggak kayak gitu. Tapi terima kasih banyak atas donasinya. Thank you so much for your donation. But please stop. Those are incorrect. Thank you. And then from Crazy Raz. Weird. I got $5 too. Same brain cell, I guess. Urabichi, I got $5 too. Einhander might be onto something. Stop! You guys are bad at counting. Yeah. And then next is from Isangmin. Kamsahamnida. From 900. I screwed up my math. It was $10 after all. It was not $10, nor was it $5. Do the math's right. But thank you. And then next is from Noxcalis. No, Einhander was right. The first time the answer was 50k EDR. Come on! Oh, for this one, the answer was 5 subs. Was I right? No, you are wrong. You are wrong, Einhander, but thank you. And the next is from Chomi Supemi. Oh no, the remainder is so big, Ollie Sensei. I don't think I can fit it in my brain. Don't say that. Thank you. And then from Super SSD. Never knew about this fast counting method. Very neat and fast, but I gotta practice. Thanks for teaching us, Ollie Sensei. You're welcome. And then next is from Nandemonai. Ora mudeng li pening ya, nggak apa-apa lah, minum obat dulu. Thank you. And then from It's Road Roller. Math makes my brain go brrrt. Thank you. And then from Little Pork Chop, I actually learned something so cool. You're welcome. Thank you. And then from Nandemona again, nyesel sama dulu sering bolos ke warnet. Hayo lo, makanya jangan sering bolos. Belajar sayang. Kalau ke warnet tuh, tapi mau tau nggak? Lo punya cerita lucu sih. I have a funny story. So back then, when I was still at school, my school actually had a lot of empty classes, meaning that a lot of my teachers were busy. They never really got the chance to actually teach us because they're constantly busy with so many events and whatnot. So it's always like an empty class. We would just go to school and learn nothing. So what would my friends do? They would actually just skip school and go to a tutoring class. They would, like, you know those extra classes that people take just so that they can learn a lot more? Yeah, they go to those extra classes. And they just go to school there. Kalian tau gak sih cerita sedih? Jadi dulu di sekolahnya Ollie itu banyak banget jam kos. Soalnya guru-gurunya Ollie itu dikit. Sementara event-eventnya itu banyak. Jadi banyak yang suruh dinas lah, banyak yang suruh ini, suruh itu. Banyak ekstrakurikuler juga, jadi harus ada yang ngawasin segala macam gitu. Jadi kebanyakan kita kalau ke sekolah tuh ada kemungkinan besar ada 3 jam kos gitu. Nah di saat seperti itu, setiap kali kita jam kos, bukannya bolos ke warnet teman-temannya Oli, mereka malah bolos ke tempat les loh. Oh gosh, sumpah. Terus habis itu mau tau nggak? Sempet ada satu kakak kelas waktu itu dia lagi lulusan gitu kan. I had like this one senior, they were like graduating, right? And then you know what they said? Yes, I would like to thank my mother, my father, would thank my friends for helping me study, and of course, my beloved tutoring class. Kayak iya jadi waktu lulusan kita ada kakak kelas yang kayak lagi pidato gitu kan. Ya aku ingin berterima kasih kepada bapak ibu yang selalu support saya, teman-teman yang selalu membantu saya belajar, dan juga tempat les saya. Guru-gurunya nggak diterima kasih. Damn. Yeah, so yeah. Gitu deh. Kalau kalian mau bolos ya kalian bolosnya itu yang berfaedah lah. Soalnya mikirnya itu kan kalian bisa ke warnet kapan aja, tapi kalau ke sekolah kan kalian punya kayak time limit gitu gak sih? I feel like it's such a shame when people just skip school altogether because school is fun anyway. Like even if you don't like studying, you can meet up with friends or maybe just eat at the cafeteria, or maybe there's like it's like a certain place where you can actually just go have fun and be young, right? So when people actually just skip school altogether, I feel like you're just wasting it. Because honestly, let's say you skip school to actually play your PC or go to like an internet cafe. I feel like you can even do that once you're like an adult. So I don't see the point of you actually doing it while you're still in school, you know? School is good for social development at the very least. Yeah, like even if the teachers aren't good at teaching you, even if you can't learn anything, you can actually have a social development for the better or for the worse. Or maybe you'd actually, I don't know. Wow, one adult. Exactly. But all my friends were at the internet cafe. Jelek. Tapi teman-teman aku di warnet. Jelek banget sumpah. Iya, gitu. But anyways, thank you. Next up is a bunch of toilet soupas from Crazy Ras, thank you. 900, thank you. Crazy Ras again, thank you. Crazy Faizin, thank you. 900, 4 times by the way, thank you. Crazy Ras, thank you. 900 again, thank you. It's a road roller, thank you. Silent Nerf, thank you. 900, you donated 5 more times, thank you. Crazy Goo, thank you. Crazy Ras, thank you. 900 again, donated 3 times now, thank you. Victor Reza Zamli, First General, thank you. 900, thank you, donated twice. And then Andrew, thank you. Crazy Ras, thank you. Tapeti, thank you. The 900, thank you. Silent Nerve, thank you. Kagumaruto-san, arigatou gozaimashita. And then from Crazy Ras, thank you. 01 Vest, thank you. Cardinal Crowbar. My day job involves measurements and square feet, and learning an easier way to multiply 2-digit numbers in my head just sped up my work. Thank you. Really? Really? Well, I'm glad that I got to help. That's what I'm here for anyways. Good luck on work and thank you so much for the super. Makasih. And then next is from Buldong Ninim. All I know in this stream is that I really love, but I really hate math. But math didn't do anything, right? Listen. You can hate trigonometry, but don't hate maths. You can, like, listen. Math is really nice to you. Except trigonometry, we don't need it. No! Yeah, trigonometry is mean. I don't hate math. I hate memorizing. True. There is a lot of memorizing when it comes to math. Because you do gotta memorize what kind of formula that you need to use in what, right? What is that? Trigonometry, ito loh yang... Ini tebel banget. You know, sing, cos, tan... Trigonometry. The one that we never really use for a daily basis. I mean, I'm sure there's someone out there who uses sin, cos, tan, but not as much as multiplication and division, I feel. Yeah. Trigonometry. Yeah, thank you! And Sugaku Hakusei, terima kasih Ori Sensei. Kochira koso kite kurete arigatou. And then from Nox Kalis, lunch money, thank you. Cloud Chaser, besok bahas simak ui, wanjay simak ui. Kita lihat lah ya. Thank you. And then from Nox Kalis, because it's a math stream, here's a quick game to play in traffic. Add the numbers in the vehicle plate until you get one digit. Example, 4, 6, 12 equals 4 plus 6 plus 1 plus 2, which is 13. And then 1 plus 3 is 4. Do it as quick as you can. Tips, 9 equals 0. Oh, naruhodo. Naruhodo. Like, how about, let's say... Oh, kita coba ya. 902. Oh, jangan deh. 902 itu berarti 9 plus 11 plus 15 equals 1 plus 5 equals 6. Huh? We didn't get it. Ternyata tidak bisa. Ine, that's actually a fun game to play while you're in traffic. Especially if the traffic does not move! Looking at you, Jakarta. Yeah, thank you! And is that all from Super Chat? Itu aja kah? From Crazy Ras! Thank you so much for the Super Chat. You didn't really write anything, but I appreciate it. Dono, thank you! And then from Neguse, Benrina, Keisan no Hoho, Benkyou de Kite Tanoshikatta desu. よかったです。来てくれてありがとうございました。ぜひぜひ、この方法方を使ってください。Thank you, thank you. And that is all from Super Chat. Dari Super Chat itu saja. Kalau gitu berikutnya kita langsung lanjut aja kali ya ke Social Buzz. Social Buzz. Yeah. Alright, lanjut. Okay, dari Social Buzz. We have from Ferenenatan. Apa ini? I do quick math like breathing good to learn how the quick math did in the stream and compare with main. I do math like breathing air. Good to learn how to do quick math in the stream and compare with main. Thank you. Harus mikir dulu. No. It's because the way that Vera and Jonathan wrote this was in a Romaji way, you know. Yeah. But anyways, thank you. Next is from bukan saya. Bu, banyak yang cabut ke kantin. Ih, kalian parah banget. Padahal Ollie udah sengaja pagi-pagi. Ollie bela-belain bikin overlay lah. Overlay bukan Ollie yang bikin lah. Bikin thumbnail lah. Ollie susah-susah bikin thumbnail. Ollie bikin kita materi-materi yang bisa kita pelajari bareng-bareng. Tapi kalian malah teganya cabut ke kantin. How mean. I already prepared the thumbnail, prepared the overlay, I prepared the subjects for today too. But you guys just decided to go to the cafeteria even after all my hard work. Parah, tapi makasih donasinya. Thank you for the donation. And the next is from someone. For some reason, I prefer to myself the classic way, but your method is kind of good as well, Ollie. Yeah. Which is also okay. If you wanna stick to the classic way, that's okay. But if you guys ever feel like the new method sounds fun, then you know, yeah. Gitu. Jadi sekali lagi, Ollie tidak memaksakan kalian untuk memakai caranya Ollie. Kalau menurut kalian cocok di kalian silahkan, tapi kalau nggak cocok ya nggak apa-apa lah gitu. Nih, thank you. The next is from Rudianto. A plus B sama dengan 50 dibagi 100, maka A kuadrat sama B kuadrat punya 2 digit terakhir yang sama jika dipangkatkan. Contoh. Tunggu, wait. Let me write this down. So, A plus B equals to 50 and 100, which means that A squared divided by B squared is the same last digit. For example, (24) squared equals 576 and 26 squared. What does that mean actually? Artinya apa itu? Jika dipangkatkan. Wait, what does that mean? They're saying that A plus B equals 50 divided by 100, which means that if we have A squared divided by B squared, then you basically have the same last digits if squared. For example, if 24 squared equals 576 and 26 squared. Does anybody understand what this means? Artinya apa deh? Tunggu, Ollie masih belum ngeh deh. Artinya apa deh? I have no idea. I don't understand either, but thank you Rudianto. Rudianto, maaf, otaknya Ollie gak nyampe, tapi terima kasih banyak. Ollie gak tahu itu soal atau apa, tapi terima kasih. I don't really know if that's I don't know if that's a question or if that's like a tip. But thank you so much. And then from Namikaze, Ollie belajar bahasa. Ollie bahas aljabar li. Aljabar mah gampang. Aljabar ya tinggal taruh ini aja gak sih? Apa sih itu namanya? Huruf di angka. Basically this is what aljabar is. Yeah, thank you. And the next is from Sin. Nih aku bawain uang jajan, jangan lupa makan ya, makati. Oh, and last but not least from Google. So many students are late for class. What kind of punishment will Ollie give them all? Scrubbing the toilet. Scrubbing the toilet. How dare you, late to class? By the way, Ollie plus Summers equals hugs? I like that. Yes, that is the correct math. Yeah, thank you. And that is all from Sociabuzz, I feel. Dan kayaknya dari Sociabuzz itu aja deh teman-teman. Yeah, which means last but not least, we're going to read from Streamlabs. Okay. Yes. Basically, most of my time is scrubbing the toilets at school. No, you're not supposed to be proud of it. It's supposed to be a punishment. Yeah. Anyways, last but not least, from Streamlabs, I would like to say thank you to Google. The math hurts. Maybe not in your wheelhouse, but I like to figure out how many tries it takes. Oh, sorry. Maybe not in your wheelhouse, but I like to figure out on how many tries it should take on average when I'm after a rare drop. So after 1% of a drop, right, I need to find out where 1 minus 1% with the exponents of n equals 50% to figure out the average number of tries. Do you know an easy way? That's ito peluang kan ya? Which means that you're talking about chances, right? There is actually an easy way to count chances. It's just that I forgot. Kalau kita bicarain peluang, yeah, probability. There's actually a trick to it, but I have to look into it again. I gotta look for my old notebook. Yeah, statistics and probability. There's actually an easy way to actually count it. But I don't use it anymore because I don't really do gacha. Tapi akhir-akhir ini Oli kayak nggak terlalu make, soalnya Oli kalau nge-gacha beneran cuman kayak pengen nge-gamble gitu aja kan ya. Yeah, I don't use it. I don't really use it anymore because it stresses me out. Nowadays when I gacha, I just gacha without actually counting the numbers. Yeah, nanti deh Oli cariin. I'll look for it. Yeah. Thank you for the dono. And I think we still have a few more. I heard some notifications dan kayaknya masih ada beberapa lagi. From Super Chat. Whoa. You guys didn't hear anything, right? Kan nggak ngedenger apa-apa kan? Okay. It's good if you guys didn't hear it. Nope, what was I supposed to hear? So suddenly the Judgment of the Oratrice Mécanique de Nellis Cardinal started playing, and I was like, oh damn, am I going to get copyrighted? But thank goodness that you guys didn't actually hear it. Not that again. The what? You know, according to the judgment of the Oratrice Mécanique de Nellis Cardinal. Yeah, you're safe. Okay, cool. Alright, and then from Okay, last one. From Fahri. From Social Buzz. Ollie Sensei, thanks for today. I'm glad for coming to your class. Please solve this. It's the classic. This one, right? A classic. 3x minus 7u. I don't think I need to solve it because everybody already knows. I love you too. Thank you, Fahri. And yep, I think that is all for today. Kayaknya untuk hari ini itu saja. Ingin mengingatkan kepada teman-teman, Ollie nanti akan muncul di Ava Singapore bareng sama Lam Sensei. Yeah, I'll be having a panel with Lam Sensei later at Anime Festival Asia Singapore. Our stage is literally in 1 more hour. Beneran 1 jam lagi, Ollie bakal naik panggung. So see you guys then. Thank you so much everyone for coming to the stream. Kita kreatif honton ya, arigatou gozaimashita. Terima kasih banyak telah datang ke streamnya Ollie. Ya, selain itu ada apa lagi ya? Oh, I'll also be playing Pass Per Out 2 later tonight. So if you guys are interested, I'd be happy if you guys would pay a visit. Ya, terus nanti malam Ollie akan main Pass Per Out 2 dengan pen tablet. Kalau kalian pengen datang, Ollie akan sangat senang. So よね、今夜もパスプラ2をやりたいと思います。ペンタブレットを書きたいと思います。はい。Yeah, that's all from me. Kayaknya itu saja dari Ollie. ここで終わりたいと思います。Alright, this has been Crazy Ollie and I'm signing out. Otsu crazy. Bye bye. Aduh lapar. Bye bye.